Hey Kenna, you're going to work on awards. So this is, it's going to be under business and awards. And I'm sending you this. You're not going to do all of them because we don't have everything, but what you're probably going to do the flame, navy plaque, globe, obelisks, and these. And what's dictating it is the stuff that's available on Crystal by Design. So what you'll do is, I think, for example, we're going to start with the Flame Awards. So when you click on Flame Awards, it's a bit of a mess. The one that I'm started on, that I'm going to use as an example, is this Apex Award. And it doesn't have to be called Flame, but I'll show you, I've changed my mind on how these pictures are going to work, so it's going to be easier for you. So what you'll do is go into Crystal by Design, and I sent you the passwords. You have to log in every time, so you log in with the username and password that's in the email. Go to Products, and we're looking for Flame Awards. So I'm going to finish at that Apex one because even though it's not called Flame, it's close. Only do the crystal ones or the black. Don't do any of these jade colored things, okay? Or this one, anything that says jade, don't do. So this is the Apex Crystal. What I'm really going to show you is the picture because I used to do, anyway. So you're going to save the picture, so save as, and you're going to put it on your desktop or wherever you want, and this is where you have to call it something that that is going to be used. So in this case, I'm going to call it personalized engraved crystal flame apex award. And hit save. And it went down. So now I'm going to go, and you know how to do this, but there's something slightly different, so I thought I'd show you. So I'm going to go back into the back side of the website. I'm going to look for the Apex Award, and I know the picture's already fixed, but I'm just going to do it again for you. So I scroll down here. Actually, I scroll over here. Actually, let's see if I can shrink this down. I'm looking for image. No, that's cut off. I think you can get it. I'm going to add the new image like you always have done before. Choose the file. I'm going to go to my desktop. I think that's where I saved it. Personalized engrave, Apex Award. I want to make sure it's the details. When you're doing this, look to see that it's small. If it gets over 100 KB, you're going to have to shrink it down. I'll show you how. But if it's as long as it's under 100, and right now it's 25, so that's nice. So I'm going to choose Apex, open. I'm going to open this one. Whoops, sorry, this one. Choose Apex, and this one. Open and save. And then when you go back to the front end of the website, it's going to look, I'm going to refresh it, but it'll look exactly the same as that's how I did the first one. Oh, crap, I did two. Let me go back in. How did that happen? Let me go to images. Oh, great, I have two of them in here. Let me get rid of this one. Delete. Didn't even know that was possible. Okay, so now let's go back to the front. Refresh. Okay, I have one nice big Apex Award. And then when you go, now we're going to start cleaning this up. And some of it I've done already. So what I'd like to do is add the button and fix this font as you always have done. And I also want to add the small picture. To add the small picture, I found this image on image resizer. So if you go, okay, so go into this resizeimage.net to create a smaller picture. You just upload what you've just created a little while ago, and I want this to be a little bit smaller, so go down to resize image. I think 400 high is probably pretty good, so we'll try that, and hit resize image. I'm going to view the image. Okay, that looks about right. Download download the image. It's downloading. Open it. Let's see. File. Make a copy. So I'm going to call this something that I can figure out. So engraved apex flame board. That should do it. Crystal. Let's just go with that. Save. So hopefully that's gone down to my desktop. I can go back in here, click on image, browse server, upload, see if I can find it. This should be it, engraved apex crystal, right? It looks pretty tiny. Open, search it. Engraved apex crystal. It's this one. This was a stupid one I did before. Choose. There it is. It's 400 high. And then fill in the alternative text. Award. Okay. Yay. It showed up. Let's put it in the middle. So that's on. And then I also want to put a button on here. I know you've done the buttons before. I emailed myself one, so I wouldn't have to do it. Let's see. I'm sending you this button optimizer too, so you can create your own buttons. This is one that I did on my other computer. So let me just save this to my computer. Desktop. Shop All Star Awards. Save. So I want to put the button on. Same thing, browser, sorry, upload, All-Star Awards, open, there's my button, I'm going to choose that, get rid of this, and then this is just shop All-Star Awards button. Okay, same thing, center it. So this is, I think you've done this too, but now we just have to link these. So go to Flame Awards. I said star, didn't I? I have to fix that. I just remembered what I did. I don't know why I had. We'll fix the button. Go in here, hyperlink it. I'll fix this so you don't have to fix my mistake. Link it to Flame Awards. I don't know why I did that. And then this picture, if you could, link it back to the picture. So you go back in here to the Apex Flame Award. Click on that. Go back in here. Right click. I'm sorry. Click link. Okay. Hit save. So now you'll see our beautiful Apex Award. We click on the details. I forgot to refresh my screen. Oops. This looks okay to me. And then I'll change this so it says Shop All Flame Awards. It clicks back to this, to the Flame Awards. And this, if they click on it, it'll just loop them back to here. I just thought that would be handy. So the other things that we need to fix on this are the pricing. I'll give you the pricing rubric and the sizes. I'll show you this too in a second. So we're going to go back in here. All of this should be Georgia 16. I think we have to hit normal. This is a little bit weird. This should be all Georgia 16. This is acting a little bit strange. Let's just get rid of that. Make that 16 again. Okay, hopefully that's right. Let me save it. And we've got that, the sizes. I'm sorry, the price. So we'll go down here. When you're in this section, make sure you have the item number listed, and it's called Edge, or it's called Crystal by Design. Make sure active engraved logo. This one is supposed to be, let me go back to my email. So the price is 63 times 4 plus 40, so 295. You put the lower one in, we're going to do two sizes. 295. And then go into options. And we're just going to have these two. So you're going to get rid of small. Medium is already priced in that 295, so you click on that and get rid of that. That's already in the base price. Go back to options. So that's 0, and now the large has to be updated. So the price is, if you work this out, it's going to be $375 for the large, so the difference is 80. So that's going to be reflected here. So now when you go into the front end, you refresh, you're going to see $295, and then if somebody comes in and orders the large, it's going to go up to $375. I think I added wrong. Then you're going to remove the volume prices. We're just going to get rid of these. And you're going to do your usual, which is related products. So you can come back in here. Who wants clocks? We need to have other Apex or Flame awards. Okay. So you can add, as you have done before, other, oops, crap, sorry. Threw myself out. You can go in and add other Flame awards. Let's just choose this one for now. And let's go back to the front end and see what I've done. I should fix the bullets on that. This is showing that's good by sizes. I gotta fix the pricing on that, make it a mess kinda. And I have my text box and I have one Flame award. So I think that's it. Let me just fix the pricing. No, that's right. $375. The difference is 80. I thought it was $395. And let me fix my bullets while I'm in here. Okay, now they're appearing. And you can write some copy up here too. Actually, I want these to go in a little bit further. I think you're better at this than I am now. Let's move this over. Okay. Not bad. I'll go in and I'll fix that button, and then you can go to town on the rest of them. So when you go into the other products, just choose as many flames as you can. I mean, I think you can search flame. Okay, so you can search by flame if you want, and you'll find a few that pop up. And then you just, you'll download this one and update and create a new product. So you'll copy, I would go in and copy the one I just did and then just change the picture and the pricing, the sizes accordingly. In this one, for example, again, I would just leave two sizes. I wouldn't use the smallest, just so medium and large. Also go in and just see if there's some other awards that have that same basic shape as a flame, just to keep it consistent. So you can go through here and change it to 36.